Hello, we will talk about the quality model for Peruvian microenterprises of a software product factory. So, for the presentation, we will talk about the introduction, the problem identified, the software quality model, the project implementation of the proposal model, results and discussion, and conclusions. Uh, Microenterprise represents around 90% of the software industry in Peru. And a similar percentage in Latin America and worldwide. They are characterized by the use of quality models of both the process and the product. In this descriptive research, uh, the proposed software quality model applied to a micro enterprise is observed. We show how the model generates an improvement in the software quality processes in the projects for its clients that support the effectiveness of the model. So, expert opinions of professionals have been added and included. An evaluation of the impact of the improvement of software quality will be done as a result of the use of the proposal model for a Peruvian micro company. So, which one is the problem identified? We have several problems. There is no flexibility, an adaptable and scalable model. There is no economically operative and technically feasible model. And there is no a software quality micro business project management model. So we have here most SME managed software quality projects culminate in failure. So what represents for us the failure? The failure in a product of software represents a loss of time, loss of resource, and also generate an deficiency in the behavior and the moral of the developers. So the client is also in disagree with the result of the product. So what we have to do about it? So what effect will be the implementation of a model have improved efficiency in the management of software quality projects in microenterprise? Question. So another question is what are based on project process product oriented models? So if we identify our project, identify our process, identify clearly the product, so how the orientation to models will help us to be better in the delivery of software. If do a comparison about the different models, we will see that the high costs of certification, training, and implementation. And so most of this software are oriented to a focus business. So each model has a time of application. Our proposal, what is searching, is to give the best conditions to be successful with the product. So the model of software quality model for Peruvian enterprise, we have a base the components, the phase of projects like PMBOK, Scrum, Princess, or base components phase processes like Microsoft, MPS, Competitive Soft, CMEP, ISO, or ISTQB, plus TMMI plus TPI. So if we take as a base also the components phase product like STEP, CPT, or ITIL, we will get our support of tool of microenterprise software producers. So, what we are looking is generate a sub-models for projects, uh, generate a model for quality project management, and generic sub-model for microenterprise and generic sub-model for software improvement product. If we integrate all these sub-models, we will have a specific model that help us to make better benefits to the state, like increase the GDP for our country, generation of direct and indirect employment, increase in per capita income, and increase in private investment. Google, like Google would put its technological development headquarters in Lima, as well as in Belo Horizonte, Brazil. It also increase the economic activity and poverty reduction, example case of India, a reduction of external debt. The submodel of the talent, what will to the talent of the universities. So this will be make a promotion of the students of the university, taking the third superior and fifth superior and tenth superior and the first positions in the organizations. So uh, it it helps also to to help in this cycle of growing with the best techniques. Okay, the additional points is they have a technical study related to the professionals' careers, so we do the things better as they have to. So the generic submodel for micro business software project management, we have the best process by the test of software. We have also equivalent activities that are integrated. Okay. Also the management of the project. What are the results that we have generated? The results, we have made a survey that help us to compare the before and after. So in this process, we have also the high percentage, for example, in design. Okay. In the result of generic submodels of quality, we have also a good resource about the application mobiles. Is a big deal that we have then applying the model. So in the result of generic submodels for micro business software process, we can find that we have the situation that the application of measure corrective and preventive is high in considering before that this was so low the positive answers. The next result of the model, we have the improvement in the software model. We can find here that we have, and the service levels are high, and 98.33% as positive answers. So this could uh, help us to take decisions about what is the model that we will use. So we can conclude that more than 50 flexibly adaptable and scalable processes were designed with their respective activities and support tools and management and technical level to efficiently manage software quality microbusiness. So more than 50 processes, activities, and tools were designed to allow the economical, operational, and technical feasibility for the efficiency management of MPS software quality projects. So, technologically, the modern architecture was designed that makes it possible to manage complex software quality projects under SOA, mobile and cloud computer platforms, and the integration between them. So, our web system, SAC, Microenterprise directly uses the architecture is in most technological clients such as the financial institutions. Thank you very much. We hope this paper can help you to taste your own models. Bye.